What's up mga kabudol? Welcome to another episode here at Mike Surplus TV, and we're going to talk about our rifle setup. But before that, we're going to give you a few seconds to hit that like and subscribe button. So, here is our rifle setup. So this is our Mark 18 URGI. So this is not an original Mark 18 URGI. So this is a Mark 18 URGI clone. So later we're going to discuss our parts kit and what we've used in this rifle setup. Okay, we have our rifle setup right here. So I had it catered in how I desire to run it during rifle drills and actually in possible encounters. So this weapon is night fighting capable with the optics and the IR laser, and with the help of surefire visible light M951 tac light with an IR cap here. Okay, so let's talk about the URGI rail. So before, I had the quad rail mounted on my rifle. Then eventually I decided to do an upgrade. So I bought this URGI rail and I had it mounted in the weapon. So as you can see, compared to other quad rails in the market, it is more slicker and more lightweight compared to your Daniel Defense DD rails. Okay, so like what I said, I have my weapon custom for me and able to pair with my night fighting capabilities. So I have my EOTech XPS3 that has a night vision reticle, and I have my PEC 15 laser and my Surefire M951 with IR cap mounted. So you could just disengage it. So you could use the white light. So I have my pressure switch mounted on top rather than the side, because I find it much convenient and it saves you more weight and rail space on the left side. So let's proceed to our receiver. I have my Spikes tactical lower and my Aero Precision upper, like so. And let's proceed next to the grip. So this is my Magpul grip, and I have a BCM gunfighter stock. So I also run Magpul magazines, like so. And I also run this USGI metal mags. They work well. They're still okay. No issues whatsoever. As long as you maintain your springs and your follower, and you're good to go. Alright, let's talk about our sling. This is a Ferro Concept Slingster in multicam. So this sling can be adjusted very easily with just this pull tab over here. Okay, so moving forward. So I have my sling set up like this. And it's much easier if you have the other loop on the other side. Next is our trigger. Our trigger is a single stage trigger. Same kinds of trigger that mil-spec ARs or M4s, M16s use. Okay, so next topic here is we have our barrel on the rifle. So our barrel is a ballistic advantage 1 in 7-inch twist. So this is typical of your mil-spec ARs. And yeah, so lastly, our optic. So I had the EOTech XPS3 mounted on the rifle. So the reason why I had the XPS3 because it's night vision capable. So I also run other optics like this Aimpoint Comp 2. Lastly, we're going to talk about rifle ownership in the Philippines. If you are a civilian and you already have a high-powered rifle, you are eligible to own it because you already had an existing rifle in your LTOP. So, in order to have a rifle, you have to be either law enforcement or in the military. So that's it. This is our Mark 18 URGI clone, and I'm gonna see you all in our next video. Have a nice day. I am on power.